You want to focus on good lane positioning. You'll be between the solid yellow and the broken white. You'll be to the left, the driver. The car will be centered. You don't want to look down at mirrors. You want to look ahead and aim high. You're walking in the hallway at school. You're walking at the mall. You're walking in a computer place. Your speed is good. You're doing well. Keep going. You're doing fantastic. Nice. What I need you to do is stay on the gas and get over one lane to the right. Right is up. I appreciate that lane change. That was solid. Good. Now drive. Good. Very consistent. You're much more consistent with your speed control. We're letting the faster cars to the left pass you. Doing great. Keep it up. Night driving is always hotter, less visibility. You can be tired. The headlights might not be as clear. The windshield might be dirty. So every time we get fuel, you want to clean off the windshield, wipe off your headlights, make sure you have windshield washer solvent. You're doing great. Stay consistent. Perfect. And by you getting your license at a younger age, you're going to have more independence. A lot of people wait 21, 24, 27, 33, 37. Everyone's a little bit different. So, you know, we got the whole community pulling for you, pushing for you. And that's, a lot of people don't have that support system. So I would just say, do your best and find a person who really can support you and talk to you. So you're doing great. Very nice. Keep going. Turn slow. Yes. Doing great.